over time. Now, there are a lot of cons to owning real estate, and we gotta at least address these cons because we have to know both sides before getting into it. The first con of owning real estate is that it takes a ton of capital. So with stocks, you can get into it with as little as $100 or $1,000 per day, but a down payment on any type of property, even with a really good loan, is still gonna be 10, 20% of a down payment, and that might actually be in the tens and thousands of dollars. The second con of owning real estate is that it's not a guaranteed return. You could actually lose your investment money in very many ways. So let's say a natural disaster strikes your investment property and you're not really covered under your insurance. That could be one. Your property could literally go up in flames. That could be another. Or perhaps you just buy an investment property and you can't get enough tenants in there, or maybe it doesn't cash flow well enough for you. The third con of owning real estate is that it's a lot more hands-on and time consuming. If you want it to be a passive investment, you literally have to hire a whole team to do that, or a property manager at the very least. The fourth con of owning real estate, I think, is that it really ties you down to a specific location. Now, I know that there are some people that invest in real estate out of state, but ideally you're close to your real estate investment, and so you get to check on it every now and then. Now that's very different than stocks, right? So with stocks, you could literally be on a yacht in the Adriatic Sea, drinking champagne, eating bananas, or whatever you like to eat, and you could just be balling out with your stock portfolio. But with a real estate investment, you literally have to be at least in somewhat of a close proximity